This is a twin Verado 250 Mercury outboard bracket anode replacement, as well as bonding wire repair. The port bracket shows the anodes that are active, aluminum anodes. The starboard bracket have been brushed. I'm going to replace both bracket anodes, beginning with the starboard. This is what active, healthy aluminum anodes look like. Start by removing the mounting plate. I've got the starboard plate off. These are the old anodes. This is the old broken bonding wire that's going to be replaced. Ground wire, bonding wire, whatever you want to call it. This ideally should not be painted. Unfortunately, it was painted. Mercury specifies that if these Verado outboard brackets and parts are painted, it voids the warranty, I believe. So if you can avoid not applying paint to those, good idea in my opinion. Gonna be replacing. Now I'm going to remove the trim anode. We've got that cleaned off pretty nicely now. I'll go ahead and install starboard. Bonding wire on this one was on the port one, so metal contact, very important. When installing anodes, make sure it's on there tight. It doesn't need to be death tight because you're going to need to remove it and replace it again someday, but you don't want it to be unable to remove in the future. This is a 16 AWG Anchor marine grade wire that I'm going to use as a ground bonding wire to replace the old. We have the heat shrink connector set, so and make sure you take all the stickers off. Now, I'm gonna find a connector that fits. It's a little tight. I'm gonna take my wire end, and this is going underwater, but I still like to do the heat shrink. This is a time-consuming process. Placing these Verado bracket anodes and making sure that the bonding wires are in good condition. Make sure you don't do this around any fuel. Quick heat shrink there, and that should seal it up. Just want to be real careful cleaning this after the new bonding wire is installed, because don't want that thing to break again. Hopefully with this heavy gauge bonding wire, it won't. It's a little tricky getting the tool in there with the connector in the way there.
Now I'm going to pry off the remaining old anodes from the starboard side.
There you go.
I'm gonna clean it, clamp the surface, install new anodes. So the anode replacement is complete on the starboard bracket, along with new bonding wire. Here's what it looks like afterwards. And now time to do the port side. This is before.
Here's all the old used anodes, old bonding wires. I've got the port side plate cleaned up.